Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. After many days, today I'm back with my new video. So let's get started. So today I'm going to tell you all the information about UPSC Civil Services, how to join, and everything related to UPSC for the beginners. So let's get started. The UPSC Services exam is a competitive exam conducted by Union Public Service Commission in India to recruit candidates for various civil services, including the Indian Administrative Services, Indian Police Service, and Indian Foreign Service. The exam has three stages: prelims, mains, and interview. For beginners, understanding the exam structure, syllabus, and developing a strategic approach is crucial for effective preparation. Let's understand the UPSC exam. The UPSC Civil Services exam is conducted in three stages. First is preliminary examination, which is also called prelims, an objective type exam with two papers: General Studies Paper 1, General Studies Paper 2, which is also called CSAT. Second stage is main examination, which is also called mains, a written exam with 9 papers, including 2 qualifying papers and 7 merit-based papers. Third stage is personality test, which is also called interview, an interview to assess the candidate's personality and suitability for the civil services. For beginners, developing a strong foundation needs NCERT books. Focus on NCERT books from class 6th to 12th to build a strong foundation in core subjects like history, polity, economics, science, and geography. Supplement your learning with textbooks and reference books recommended by toppers for each subject, and stay updated with current events through newspapers and magazines. Reading newspapers like The Hindu or the Indian Express and magazines like Yojana and Kurukshetra is highly recommended. Now let's know the strategic preparation for the beginners. Thoroughly understand the syllabus and analyze previous year's question papers to identify important topics and assess the exam pattern, and create a realistic study plan and allocate sufficient time for each subject. Time management is crucial for covering the vast syllabus. Start practicing answer writing from the beginning. This will help you develop the necessary skills to express your knowledge effectively in the mains examination. Regularly take mock tests to assess your preparation level and improvement. Utilize online resources like websites, YouTube channels, and online study groups to supplement your learning and stay connected with other aspirants. Let's developing the right mindset for beginners is very crucial. Maintain discipline and consistency in your preparation. Stay focused and avoid procrastination. UPSC preparation can be challenging, so stay motivated and seek support from mentors or peers when needed. If needed, consider joining a coaching institute or seeking guidance from experienced individuals to enhance your preparation. By following a systematic approach, understanding the exam structure, and developing effective study timetable, beginners can successfully navigate the UPSC Civil Services exam. If you like my video, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.